Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be going over how to use Audible. Please stick around to the end of the video so you know everything that you need to know. So first off, if you open the app, it's going to say that you can get a 1 month free trial, and then you'll have to move on to one of their subscription plans. So if we go down to the bottom right where it says join, you have two packages. You have the Premium Plus, which will let you pick one bestseller or new release a month and listen to all you want to thousands of included originals, audiobooks, etc. Premium Plan Annual, you'll save 16% annually, and you get to pick 12 bestsellers or new releases right away. That's just yours to keep forever. So we're just going to go back to the home page, and I've logged in using my Amazon account. And on the homepage, it's essentially going to have recommendations for you based on what you've read, what you're into, your Amazon interests, what you're currently reading, and what's up next in your series if you're reading a series of books. And next is going to be the library tab. And it's going to have a collection of all of the books you've bought or downloaded that are yours to keep with or without a subscription. I've got a little bit of a library here. But you see at the very top, you can actually filter it by types. So like audiobooks, podcasts, your wish list for books you want, collections, authors, series, genres, stuff like that. And in the next tab, you're going to have Discover. And this is where you browse the library of audiobooks and podcasts. So you can browse by things like category, the bestseller by year, series, moods, all sorts of different topics that are available to you in the Audible app. So I'm going to go back to library, and I'm going to select the book I've been reading, which is Allegiant. And this is going to be your main screen for accessing your audiobook. You'll see there's a big play and pause button in the middle, and you can actually skip backwards and forwards 30 seconds into your book or behind. And you can skip by chapter using the left and right arrows there. And at the very bottom, you'll see a few different options. First one is speed, and I really like this one. If you find that the reader is going a little slow, you can speed up the audio, or if they're going too fast, you can slow it down again. I tend to keep mine on about 1.2 because I like to have the faster audio coming in. And the next one that we're going to look at is the timer function. You can set how long you want the book to play. So you can go from 5 minutes up to 120 minutes, or you can choose to actually end listening at the end of your chapter, which is really cool. And the very last option down at the bottom right, you can bookmark and save a clip from the book you're currently reading so that you can come back to it and listen to it later. Up in the top right with the 3 dots, you can get information about your book using the title details button. And this will have sort of a write-up, the summary, genres, and also recommendations for books that are similar. So that's been it for how to use Audible. Please leave any questions or comments in the comments below. Thanks.